Unpack. Unwrap the package. Installation. Prepare screws and hubcaps. Corresponding card slots at the connections. The hubcaps also have corresponding slots. Align and press down, then rotate counterclockwise. Both wheels are fitted in the same way. Install battery fuse. Check the power level. When the power is low, please charge it in time. Turn off the power before charging. Open the charging port and connect the charger. Fold. Open the carabiner R. Fold the basket. Fold the handrail. Unfold. Unfold the folding basket. Fasten the safety latch. Open the folding handrail. Multiple applications on flat surface. Pushing on flat surface 1. Pushing on flat surface 2. Turn on the power. Downstairs mode. Gear 1. Tiptoe on the wheel. Short press on the dip switch. Tilt the machine to balance. Pushing on flat surface 3. Tiptoe on the wheel. Grab the handrail and pull. Tilt the machine to a relaxed angle. 2 types of loading. Cargo placement method 1. Open the basket clips. Fold the basket. Secure cargo with double hooked elastic cords. Cargo placement method 2. Goods are put directly into the basket. Upstairs operation. Turn on the power. Downstairs mode. Gear 1. Tiptoe on the wheel. Short press on the dip switch. Tilt the machine to balance. Pull to the edge of the step. Keep the operator 2 to 3 steps away from the machine. Toggle upstairs mode. Keep holding the dip switch and start walking up the stairs. Pace yourself for a smooth ride up the stairs. Pull back after every step up. Make sure the wheels fit on the next step elevation. After reaching the last step, release the point switch in time. Then turn in the stairwell and go upstairs. Downstairs operation. Turn on the power. Downstairs mode. Gear 1. Tiptoe on the wheel. Short press on the point switch. Tilt the machine to balance. Push to the edge of the steps. Make the center point of the first 2 wheels perpendicular to the edge of the step. Hold the point switch and go downstairs. Pace yourself and go downstairs smoothly. When the stairs are wide, each time you go down a step, push forward. Make sure the wheel lands on the next step. After reaching the last step, release the point switch in time. Ensure that the planetary wheels are properly grounded, ready to push. Precaution. 1. You must practice with an empty vehicle and set it to a low gear before use. 2. During the ZW030 up and down stairs process, do not stand under the staircase. Please pee or prevent the use of improper operation of personnel tipping over and causing danger to personnel. 3. Please turn off the power switch when using on slopes and flat ground to avoid misuse. 4. No stopping on slopes.
XSTO, ease your way to anywhere.